Hello, welcome to the night of our 30 days hair growth challenge. I am so happy it's already been 9 days. Like this is the 9th day. This is so exciting. In this challenge, we use rosemary and cloves water. The recipe is on my YouTube channel. As I always say, it's very easy to make. Rosemary leaves, cloves, hot water, and you have your rosemary and cloves tea. And all you have to do is spray this mixture, this tea on your hair. You do that 2 times per day, in the morning when you wake up and in the evening before going to bed. So when you've sprayed it all over your hair, you massage it just like this. In the previous videos, I shared some of the benefits of rosemary and cloves water. One thing that you have to know about rosemary water is that it has antimicrobial properties. The rosemary in itself has antimicrobial properties such that it helps your scalp, it improves scalp health, and it fights against dandruff. So if you have dandruff problems and it's been disturbing you for a long time, you should try out this recipe because it will help you to get rid of dandruff. It's amazing for the health of your scalp. So I really recommend that you start this challenge, that you join us for this challenge, and please, if you're planning to join us for the challenge, write in the comment section, I'm joining you for the challenge. If you like what we're doing, like up to now, please leave a like so that I know that you like what we are doing in this challenge. I did a length check on day 1 just to see where my hair was when it started, and another one on day 7, and I noticed, you can go back to the previous videos to see the length check, but I noticed an improvement, an increase in my hair length. I noticed a growth of 1 centimeter in 1 week by God's grace. So I think it is very beneficial to do this. I really invite you to join the challenge. So at the end, of course, at the end of every 7 days, I'm doing another length check. But by the time we finish the 30 days, I'm going to do a final length check to compare the length from day 1 to the last day. So I really recommend that you join the challenge. Not just for your hair to grow longer, but as we said previously, it reduces hair fall, it makes your hair shine brighter, and as we added just now, it will help you to fight dandruff. So it's a really good recipe for your hair. I'm talking about natural hair recipes. I have other recipes in my book, Starting Your Natural Hair Journey from Scratch, Transitioning from Relaxed to Natural Hair. This book is useful if you are relaxed, or even if your hair is natural but you want to know how to take care of your natural hair, or if your hair is relaxed and you want to transition from relaxed to natural hair. I share my personal story on how I transitioned. I share tips on how to grow your hair, on protective styles even, and of course I share natural hair recipes just like this one. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and also please write in the comment section if you're joining us for the challenge. Do not forget to share this video with anyone whom you know would want to grow your hair so that they can join us for this challenge. And finally, please, if you enjoy my content, subscribe so as to support my channel. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you and see you soon. Bye bye.